Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX CMG on the daily weekly time frame. PCLN bulls still struggling to get over that middle Bollinger Band. Not a whole lot going on here. 1740 is resistance, the top of this little mini bounce attempt. We've got support at 1712, or actually 1713 if you want to be exact, and then down to 17 and 1690. If we break 1690, it's bearish, and if we break 1740, it's bullish. It's as simple as that in the short term. The weekly time frame is still struggling at exponential resistance, driving down for the last month, being driven down. And we have to break 1740 to start getting over these weekly exponential resistances to try and see the higher low and then the higher high for a recovery. Otherwise, the bears remain in control. NVDA, the top of the bounce, has now been hit. 4-day bounce, top with a double top at 194.78, and now we're pulling back. So we have lost the daily higher low pattern. A break of 191.42 was a bear signal. We're looking for a higher low to form on this daily chart in the upper 180s, and only thing to change that would be increasing bear volume. So we'll have to set a higher low and then a higher high by breaking that little double top to change the trend back in favor of the bulls. And the exponential resistance is still driving the price down. Weekly time frame trying to hold the middle Bollinger Band. We are on the verge of a bearish TCG cross. We already had the bearish MACD cross. So definitely the most bearish consolidation on NVDA that we've seen since the summer, really. Since this takeoff in May, we have not seen 2 red weeks in a row like we saw the past 2 weeks. So we are cautious. The cryptocurrency bubble is still very strong, and the miners, which are related here to NVDA, blockchain names, are still holding up. So it's not all hope lost or anything like that, but we do have to be cautious at these levels, because if the bulls can't give us a higher low and a higher high on the daily, this weekly chart might lose that middle Bollinger Band. Tesla, full-on breakout mode continues. Bull signal yesterday with a strong close. Lower highs broken. Broke all 3 lower highs yesterday. Big time follow through today. Look at the closes at the high of the day. Increasing bull volume. Momentum is full steam ahead for the bulls. And the next resistance that we're looking at now that we have all daily moving averages as support is 342.80 and then 350. So we'll see if the bulls can continue to close above the upper Bollinger Band, remaining in breakout mode. And the weekly time frame getting over exponential resistance, potentially over the middle Bollinger Band. We'll see where we close, but a complete shift in momentum, and traders certainly recognizing that on Tuesday or on Monday and following into today. Netflix on the daily time frame is weak. We bounced, we topped out. 189.42 is a double top. Look how similar this is to NVDA. There's definitely a correlation between the tech sector and the blockchain names, the semiconductors. So Netflix has the double top and pulled back. Support, we're looking for a higher low compared to 178.38, and then the bulls have to break that double top to change momentum in their favor. Just barely clinging on to this middle Bollinger Band. We just barely clung on back in June and July. We'd closed barely below it one time, but that's in jeopardy now. 185.98 is that level. We have been consolidating for about 3 months, nice and contained, and have to be cautious of increasing bear volume to show more than healthy consolidation, but no sign of that yet. CMG, bullish day today. Close at the high of the day, and we did break the inside bar bullish, but only by 35 cents, and that is certainly not significant on it's a 45-cent break, but not significant on a $311 stock. So that is a 0.01% difference, and resistance right now is 319.60 and 321.67. Strong close for the bulls. They're going to try and break those levels tomorrow to give us some momentum, and space up to 333.33 as the next resistance. The weekly time frame still holding the middle Bollinger Band. Inside bar is going to form this week, and we'll see how we break this inside bar next week. So thanks for tuning in. I will see you on Thursday. No videos tomorrow. I'll be away. Have a great night.